The power of not reacting. There was once a young man who was constantly mocked by people around him. Everywhere he went, someone had something cruel to say. They called him names. They spread rumors. And every single time he reacted, he shouted, he argued, he tried to defend himself. And every time he did, he felt weaker, because the more he reacted, the more control they had over him. One day, an old teacher watched this happen. He pulled the young man aside and said, "Every time you react to their words, you hand them your power. But if you stay calm, their words die in silence." The young man didn't understand at first. How can silence be stronger than fighting back? He asked. The teacher smiled and handed him a glass of water. Then he dropped a spoonful of salt inside. "Drink it," he said. The young man sipped it and frowned. "It's bitter." The teacher then led him to a river. He dropped the same spoonful of salt into the flowing water. "Now, drink from the river," he said. The young man took a sip. This time, it tasted fresh, pure. The teacher looked at him and said, "Be like the river. Do not let small insults poison your soul. Flow forward. Stay calm. Be vast. Be deep." Because the river does not react, it simply moves on. From that day on, the young man stopped reacting to every insult. He smiled when people tried to provoke him. He stayed silent when they mocked him. And slowly, the insults lost their power. Because here's the truth. Reacting is weakness. Calm is strength. So, the next time someone tries to hurt you with words, remember the glass of water. Remember the river. Don't react. Don't give away your power. Be the river, and you will always flow stronger than the storm.